Connect the two legs by dragging them towards each other. Insert and rotate the provided screw at the connection point with a screwdriver. Place the locking bolts inside the holes located on both sides of the lower part of your Rack4smart. Remove the rear bumper caps gently. Align the assembled Rack4smart with the two holes on the rear bumper that have been exposed. Rotate the bolt on one side halfway. For proper and full locking bolt placement, rotate the small key clockwise to open the tab. Tighten the locking bolt with the included wrench. When you are done, rotate the small key counterclockwise to lock and remove. Repeat for both sides. Place both arms at the upper insertion points located on your Rack4smart and firmly tighten the hand screw. For carrying and transporting your bicycle, latch the hook under the windshield or the luggage compartment. Place and pull the strap through the buckle in order to secure and fasten your Rack4smart. Next, place the bicycle in its position and secure with the Velcro straps located on the bicycle arms. During transit times, bicycles must be tied to your Rack4smart with a provided luggage rope in order to remain properly and securely mounted. You can still open and close the rear windshield of your vehicle even when your bicycle is mounted on your Rack4smart. You can also purchase the short bike arm, product number B1S, for additional stability of your mounted bicycle. Place the first mount at any one of the 4 available insertion points located on your Rack4smart. Firmly tighten the hand screw. After placing the second mount at any one of the remaining 3 insertion points on your Rack4smart, rotate the outer hand screw counterclockwise in order to loosen the safety latch. Repeat this step on the other mount as well. Place your snowboard on the mounts as shown. Close both safety latches and secure them by rotating their hand screws clockwise. Please note that the installation procedure is the same for both models, 450 and 451.